Hello guys, this time I will go over this system of equation with three variables. It's pretty easy, okay? So I will not I will not go over this two. I will just go over this one. But it's same concept, so if I do this, you should be able to do this too, okay? So let's do this. It says the length of the rectangle. So we don't know what n is, 5 less than twice its width. And if the perimeter of the rectangle is 56 inches, find the dimensions. So dimensions means length and width. So we don't know the length of the rectangle. So for the length, I will put it as a x. For the width, I will put it as a y. And we have a rectangle here, and I will put length as a x and width as a y, okay? And it says length is, so x is, whenever you see word verb, it's a is, it's equal to. So x equal to, it says 5 less than. Whenever you see word than, the previous word goes to the other side. Less than twice its width, right? Width is a y, and it says twice, right? So it's going to be 2y. 5 less means minus 5, minus 5. Again, let's do it again. Length, which is x, is equal to 5 less is minus 5, but it says then, so you're going to put it at the end. Twice means 2 times its width, y. So 2y minus 5, okay? And it says if the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 56. So what's the perimeter? You're adding all side up, right? So we have x here, another x here, which I did not write, and y here, another y here. So we have 2 x's and 2y. So perimeter is 2x plus 2y because you're adding 2, right? So it's what? 2x plus 2y equals 56. That's it. So that's how you set it up. And if you put this one into the calculator, you will be able to solve for x. Or you can do it by hand if you want to. Just move this one to the other side and that's solve by elimination. Not a big problem. And now let's go this. Just read the question and see how I set this one up, okay? Feels like instead of explaining everything, I will just go over it. That should give you enough clue. Marcy bought total 20 used books and CDs. Now, I assume book is going to be X, CD is going to be Y. So I don't know how many books Marcy bought, and I don't know how many CDs she bought, but in total, she bought 20 in the yard sale. Okay? And she spent $54.50 and book cost $1.50. I don't know how many books she bought, but it's $1.50 each. So $1.50 each. And I don't know how many CDs she bought, but it's $5 each. And in total, she spent $54.50. Remember, money goes with money. So money goes with money. And just number of books or the number of things that she purchased goes with the number of purchase. Right? And that's it. If you put this one into a calculator, that will solve the problem. And let's go to the money question. Now, when it comes to money, always use initial. So pennies P, nickels N, okay? Kent has a collection of pennies and nickels with a value of $1.98, okay? So money goes with money. So penny is a 1 cent. So money, 1 cent. I don't know how many pennies she has. Plus nickel is 5 cents. I don't know how many nickels Kent has. But altogether, is it he or she? I don't know. But Kent sounds like male's name. So he has $1.98, okay? Oh yeah, he. The number of pennies he has, the penny has, so it's a verb, so it's equal to P equals is 5 less, so minus 5. Then, because that's why I put minus 5, twice the number of nickels, so 2n. That's it. All right? So money, again, penny is 1 cent, nickel is 5 cents. It goes with the money, and number, you set it up at the end. And that's about it, okay? Now try this question by yourself. I will just write down the answer, but you should do it by yourself. dime is 10 cents, by the way. So 0.10D plus quarters 25 is $9.55. I said if the quarters were dime and dimes were quarters, which means if you switch these two, this will become this. So what you're gonna do is you just switch it. And that's it. And when it comes to coin questions like this one, if you get a decimal, that means you messed up something. You should get p equals and n equals something clear, okay? And when you're using calculator, you're not putting p and n into the calculator. Instead of p and n, you gotta use calculator, okay? Just like this. You gotta come up with a, what's it called? Variable. So let's go here. Now this one is gonna be problem with the three variables. I will go over this, you're gonna do this. I will go over this, you're gonna do this, okay? So there are three medals in the Olympics: gold, silver, and bronze medal. And in Winter Olympics, United States had 28 total medals. So we have bronze plus silver plus gold medal in total of 28, okay? And there were two more gold medals. So two more gold medals than silver medals, okay? So G plus, okay, so here, whenever you see word than, okay, two more gold, that number goes to the other side. So 2 goes to silver. So G is equal to silver plus 2. Remember, whenever you see word then, previous number goes to the other side. So G equals silver plus 2 because there were two more gold than silver. And to be equal to each other, you gotta put plus 2 to the silver. And what does it say? The number of bronze medal was, so B equals, is equal, okay, 4 less than the sum of the gold and silver. So sum of the gold and silver plus less than 4, so minus 4. How many winners were there in each type of medals? So now you gotta find out you put this one into the calculator and you do it. Just make sure you put X, Y, Z for this one, okay? So try this one by yourself, okay? I think this one is gonna be very easy. Now here, coin question. That will be on your test for sure. So you gotta be careful with this, okay? So Jamie has a collection of 78 nickels, dimes, and quarters. So N, D, Q. So N plus D plus Q. How many? 78. Worth $12.40. So nickel is 5 cents. So you can get this one automatically. 10D plus 0.25Q. How much is it? $12.40. If the number of quarters is doubled, which means you're going to double the quarter, the value becomes 20. So it's same thing. You write down this one, same thing. Just you double the quarter. So 25 cents will become 50 cents. Equal, and then it will become $22.50. And then you find it out, okay? Now pause the video, try this question on the right by yourself, okay? Okay, nickel, dime, quarter. This is very easy. Now pause the video if you haven't, and you gotta do it by yourself, and then write this one down. Because first two should be automatic. Number comes first, and then value of money comes later, okay, with the money. That's the third one. If the number dime is double, so you're gonna double the dime. So 10 cents will become 20 cents. The money becomes 16.80. Okay, that's it. Right, so I believe this was very easy. And if you have any question, just let me know. All right, that's it, guys. See you.